So today I'll show you how to enable or how to disable the app drawer on your OnePlus Nord CE6. Now the app drawer is this one where you swipe up from the home screen to reveal all your apps. Now to change that, all you have to do is go into settings, and then under settings you want to ensure you select home screen, lock screen and style. Then scroll down and select home screen settings, and then here you should see this option, home screen. Tap on that and you should select this option to enable the app drawer, this option labeled withdraw, and as you can see the animations show you how that works. Now to disable the app drawer, all you have to do is select the standard mode and then tap on apply and then select switch. And now to launch your apps, as you can see the layout has changed. To launch your apps you won't be able to swipe up, all you need to do is now swipe through just like that to see all your apps. That's basically how to enable or disable the app drawer on your OnePlus Nord CE6. Now you can also get to that menu by tapping and holding on an empty space on the home screen and selecting home screen settings, and then tap on home screen at the top and then select the option that you want and then apply it. That's basically how to do that. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.